Just have to move to Canada. Become a Canadian boy.
You are Canadian.
Canada. That's how you say that. Keanu Reeves is from Canada.
No, he's not.
He is. He still doesn't have his U.S. citizenship.
You know what's funny?
Hmm?
All the cool famous people are from Canada.
I know.
Chris Pratt.
Us Americans are pretty lame.
Chris Pratt, Keanu Reeves.
Yeah.
Who's the other guy I'm thinking of?
Jim Carrey.
Is he from Canada?
He's cool. He was cool.
So he's gotta be.
I'm pretty sure he's from Canada.
He went crazy now.
He did.
He's woke.
Shia LaBeouf?
He's from Canada?
I don't know, but we should check.
I like Shia LaBeouf. He's been my ringtone for the past like 5 years.
Shia LaBeouf. Oh. This is my favorite guy in the world, Spam Risk. We're gonna call him back. My microphone is dying and I don't have another 9-volt battery to go ahead and change that out. So hopefully you can still hear me. But today we're gonna do a really simple install. When I did the front mount from Grimmspeed, I realized that my hood strut no longer, I'll show you. I'm holding my hood with my head so you can see this, but yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Doing that. So I got some stuff to fix that. We picked up the hood struts from Redline Tuning. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to install these. It's pretty simple. All you need are these tools, and not even these tools because you probably don't need that. You could just use a basic riveter, but they supply the rivets. They supply both the upper and lower brackets. Give you these quick lift struts, and you just need a 3/16 drill. The first step is to measure 15 inches and a quarter from the bottom of this bracket here. Okay. We need 2 inches on the outside. Measuring tape's stupid. So this piece, when it goes on, it's going to have the prong that it attaches to facing outward. That's going to be at 2 inches. So we're just going to line that up, and this dot here for the 15 and a quarter is where this bracket's going to start. So right there should be good. I'm going to actually use some tape to hold it in place, and then we can mark the holes. Make sure that follows that line exactly how we want it. Okay, just using some tape, I just made a little stop for this so I won't drill through the hood, because that would suck. And don't screw up any of these rivets, because they only give you enough to work. Almost put this on backwards. That sucked. Make sure it's on there after you get it all riveted. I do the other side real quick, and then I'll come back and show you how to do the bottom. I was trying to find a good way to show you this one, but with the hood in the way, it makes it kind of hard to get in here. So I've already got it lined up and the holes put where they need to be. What you do is you take and you measure from the center point of this bolt here, and you're going to come out an inch. So that's how that bracket's going to go. 1 inch out from that center line, and then follow this line right here. This is what I love doing, just drilling through my strut.
I'm not sure how shock flies.
What did I just hit? I hit my shock. Okay. Oh yes, perfect. Mind me just destroying my car some more. So this bracket is going to sit with the prong on the inside, so opposite to this guy here. Just rivet them in place just like the others. Nice. To be honest, I didn't get that quite as perfectly lined up as I would have liked to, but you know, it's gonna freaking do the job there, guy. It's like just maybe a degree off. Bugs me, but it probably won't bug anyone else. Let's do the other side. Now, just right off the bat with this side, I do see a bit of a problem, and that's this VIN plate right here. I'm pretty sure that bracket's gonna hit this. So we'll see if it covers it. If it doesn't, I'll just drill through it. If it does, you're probably gonna have to take it off. So we're just guesstimating. Yeah. That sucks. Okay. Well, if you have a vent plate right here, you have to take it off. You just drill out the rivets.
You guys understand me?
Hey, where we going?
Illegal!
1 inch. Later tape. Stay. Are you not doing the poppy pop? We need one of these that doesn't break every time we use it. Okay. Hammer time. Oh my god. Fucking sent that last one. Oh, I may have fucked up a little bit. Oops.
Yeah.
I put the bracket on backwards before I drilled. Oh, that's good. I was like, that is sitting very wrong. So, when you're drilling this, don't get ahead of yourself like I did and put the fucking holes in backwards because you're holding it facing outward when you need to be holding it facing inward. The bottoms face inward. The tops face outward. Don't make my mistake. It's fixable, but don't do it. Do I care that I now have 4 holes? Not really. Would it have looked better with only 2 holes? It's debatable. And you can't see them. And it still feels pretty damn on there. But would have probably preferred to only have 2 holes. Alright, this next part's pretty easy. Before you put the hood struts on, I just want you to cycle them a couple of times. Just find a spot that has like carpet or something so you don't damage this. And you're just gonna push down on it a couple of times just to get everything flowing in there. Alright, so now we're gonna throw these on. Just make sure that the upper and lower are facing opposite directions and that it feels pretty tight because right here does unscrew. So make sure you don't unscrew it. And now when putting these on, they're just gonna clip in. So you don't have to worry about taking these apart. You should be able to push them on and they'll pop this open. Just make sure that the big gas cylinder is on top. And already with just one, it's holding the hood up, which is kind of surprising. Make sure it's not gonna come off. There we go. There's one thing I will note about this kit. It is lower than with the factory standard setup. So let's test it, try and close it, and see if it lifts itself back up. And if we hit anything, because that'll be funny.
It's too powerful.
It's too powerful.
I didn't see anything snap or bend or anything, so we might be good.
Ha-ha! The power!
One thing I am noticing with this kit, I mean, the hood does close, it's kind of hard to close. I think right here is actually hitting right here.
No.
I'm pretty sure.
No.
All right, so I did just verify. It does make contact with this. I took it off, closed the hood, and it closed easy. So if you're getting these Redline struts, I would not recommend using them with like a billet work style cap set. Way too thick. Still closes, I just don't know if it's going to cause any long-term issues with this strut. This is a carbon sleeve on here, so it's not the actual strut assembly itself. So I don't think it'll cause any issues, but I'm probably gonna switch back to the factory one of that. On that note, this is a super simple install that you can do in like 30 to 45 minutes, especially if you don't drill 2 additional holes than you need, like I did. It does work really, really well. I mean, it starts to lift at maybe 5 inches up or so. If you're interested in these struts, I'll put them in the description below. I believe you can get them on Amazon. If not, I'll just put the Redline link. And if you don't have a Legacy or an Outback, you can probably get other types of stuff
It's not recording.
online. Is it not?
No.
You're lying.
It is.
Ah, you asshole. So, on that note, that is all I've got for you guys in this one. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, make me smile. And if you want to give me a subscribe, that'd be dope too. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.